Hello and welcome to Tech Era, the top 10 screen recording software options available today. Let's get started. Welcome to Tech Era, your go-to source for the latest tech news, reviews, and tutorials. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 10 screen recording software options available today. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or remote team member, having a reliable screen recording software is essential. So, without further ado, let's get started. First on our list is OBS Studio. This free, open-source software offers powerful screen recording and live streaming capability, making it a popular choice for gamers and content creators alike. Next up, we have Camtasia, a paid software that offers advanced video editing and screen recording features, ideal for creating professional-looking content. If you're looking for a software that specializes in capturing screenshots and videos of your screen, then Snagit might be the right choice for you. This paid software includes editing tools and is great for creating quick tutorials or demos. For remote teams and collaboration, Loom is a great option. This free screen recording software allows for quick video capture and sharing, making it easy to communicate and collaborate with others. Screencast-O-Matic is a simple, affordable screen recording software that offers basic editing features and cloud-based storage for your recording. This is a great option for those on a budget. For gamers, Bandicam is a popular screen recording software that offers high-quality video and audio recording, as well as features for game recording and webcam overlay. Filmora SCRN is a paid screen recording software with basic editing features, ideal for creating tutorial videos, gameplays, and online courses. If you're looking for a free, open-source screen capture and screen recording software with editing and sharing capability, then ShareX might be the right choice for you. For Android users, AZ Screen Recorder is a great option. This free screen recording software is specifically designed for Android devices, offering options for video quality and recording settings. Last but not least, XSplit Broadcaster is a paid software that offers screen recording, live streaming, and video editing capabilities with features for gaming and sports broadcasting. And there you have it. Our top 10 screen recording software options. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content from Tech Era. Thanks for watching.